Good morning, children. Now question number 3. What will happen to the volume of cube if the length of its edge is reduced to half? Now suppose there is a cube of side x centimeter. Okay. Let the side of a cube be x. Okay. Then volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, that is x into x into x, that is x cube. Okay, x cube. Now what will happen to the volume of cube if the length of its edge is reduced to half? If the length of its edge is reduced to half. Now the volume of new cube is, the side of the cube is x by 2. Then the volume of a new cube is equal to side into side into side, that is x by 2 into x by 2 into x by 2, or you can say x by 2 whole to the power of 3. So it will be x cube by 8, that is 1 by 8 of original cube. So is the volume get reduced? Yes, it got reduced. If yes, by how much? It is reduced by it is reduced by 8 times. Okay, volume of a new cube, it is reduced by 8 times. Volume will become 1/8. Okay, volume will become 1 by 8. Okay, children. Now next is find the volume of each of the cube whose sides are this. Now we have done with cuboid. Now this is cube. Find the volume of each of the cube whose sides are given. Now the side of the cube is given as 6.4. Okay, side of a cube is equal to 6.4 centimeter. You have to find volume of a cube. The formula is side into side into side. We'll make a rough column. 6.4 centimeter into 6.4 centimeter into 6.4 centimeter. Come on, 6.4 into 6.4. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24. 24, 25. Cross mark. 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. 37, 38. 38. 6 9 40.96 we are getting. Then again 40.96 into 6.4. 4 6 are 24. 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. 4 zeros are 0, 3, 4 4s are 16. Cross mark. 6 6 are 36, 6 9s are 54, 55, 56, 57. 6 zeros are 0, 5, 6 4s are 24. So 4, this will become 14, 11, 12, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3 numbers dot. So it will be 262.144 centimeter cube will be the answer. Two 262.144 centimeter cube is the answer. Now next is 1.3. The side of a cube is equal to 1.3 meter. What is the formula? Volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. That is 1.3 meter into 1.3 meter into 1.3 meter. In a rough column, multiply 1.3 into 1.3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Cross mark, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 9, 6, 1. 2 number dot. Okay. Now 1.69 into 1.3. Okay. 3 3s are 3 9s are 3 9s are 27, 3 6 are 18, 19, 20, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Cross mark, 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 7, 9, 11, 2. Now 3 numbers dot. 1.69 into 1.3 is 2.197. 2.197. Since it is meter, it will be meter cube. Okay children, one sum you try it for homework. The side of the cube is given as 1.6. Thank you.